Hey guys, just jumped out of the shower, heard the door knock, and was hoping that it was my shoes, and sure enough, look what we have here. Another 350 silhouette. This one's called the Yeshaya. Now, I was a little hesitant to get this shoe because I actually won the Lundmarks, and I was like, these are the exact same colorway, but let's check out to see if I was correct. There we go. All right. Let's get a closer examination of these, because from afar, it does kind of look like the Lundmark, but as you look closer, it actually is completely different. All right, in this V2 silhouette, you can see here that there's actually no pull tabs on the back. And it's crazy, if you look here, it's actually this like light blue teal threading that they put back here. Nice little detail that they added. That detail is also in the front of the shoe right here. Some nice threading going on with that teal colorway as well. These are the non-reflectives. As you can see here, it looks like it's a light gray tone, but there's a bit of a blue in here. It's kind of crazy. You can't really tell until you're up close and personal with the shoe, but yeah, it's got a hint of blue. You can see here, it's almost like an orangish kind of different colored gum bottom. And then here, there's actually like a little bit of blue coloring in here. It's almost like a teal, a hint of it. And then the laces, it looks like, are reflective. Okay, all right, Kanye. Mixing it up a little bit. Thought we had an exact similar colorway, but turns out these are a bit different.